Paul says that he had learned contentment. I have learned to be content, whatever my circumstances are. You know, in America today, we need to learn that lesson. I read this week about a psychology professor from the University of Pennsylvania who did a study on depression. And he said that there was a sharp increase in depression since World War II, and that people born after 1945 are 10 times more likely to suffer depression than people born earlier. And he says that it's strange because we have so many more possessions and live more comfortably than they did before that. But he said that you do not find much depression as we know it in non-westernized cultures before they were modernized. And he said most primitive cultures do not show any cases of depression. He said if you take the Amish in Pennsylvania, that they showed 1/5 the rate of depression as the people of Baltimore, Maryland. And the way he tried to explain it is why it's so much more common today that people are caught up in this almost complete self-centeredness, which leads to depression because we're deprived of what we assume we're entitled to. Paul said, I have learned, regardless of the circumstances of life, to be content. This word for content means to be satisfied with what one has, regardless of how small it might be. To be content.